Hey guys, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is Happy Mail, and I received two Happy Mails. So the first one is from Elle. Oh my goodness, could not believe I received Elle mail. Oh my goodness. So let's get into it. So that is it. She told me she sent something small whenever I messaged her and told her thank you for my mail. So here we are. It's a little card and it says, "You have a pizza, my heart." I love that. Pizza, my heart. Love it. Okay, so she sent a card. I'm gonna go ahead and read that. Oh my goodness, Amy, I cannot believe it. Girl. Thank you so much for your kind words. I appreciate them so much. I love your channel. I love your projects. You guys have to check her out. She does some amazing work, and she sent me some fun dip, you guys. Whenever I was little, I would love this stuff. This stuff was the best dip. Loved it so much. So she sent me some Valentine stickers, and I am currently still doing Valentine's, so I will be decorating the box with these. Thank you so much, because I didn't have any stickers, so this is amazing. And then she sent me a little pin, you guys, and it's like a little heart happy face pin, which I love. Thank you so much, Amy, and for your sweet card. I cannot believe it. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. She will be linked below. And next is Janae, you guys. I received Happy Mail from the lovely Janae, who is Janae Guzman here on YouTube and Happy Mail Obsessed on Instagram. So I can't wait to get into this. I've already opened it, and it's a box. And so I kind of like taped this paper because I loved it so much. And so let's get into it, you guys. Here it is. And she told me she sent something just little to say Happy Valentine's Day. And it got kind of like lost in my P.O. box. So I finally received it today, the 10th. And so I can't wait to get into it. So she has a letter right here. Yeah, thank you so much, Janae, for your sweet letter and for all of this. I cannot thank you enough. Oh my goodness, I could not wait to get into this box. So look at these die cuts, and this is the die cut that everyone has been swooning over, and I haven't got my hands on yet, but it's such a cute die cut. And then I love the heart, and I don't know what type of paper she used, but she used some, like right here, these ones are like really thick glittered paper, and then this one's very fine, and then these two are the same. So very pretty die cuts that she has on top. And then the first thing I see is this. So this is sticking out. And funny thing, Janae, is I was unable to find the pink, so thank you so much for sending me this. I was only able to find the hot pink. So I love how she decorated it with this yarn, so thank you so much. Okay, let's get into it. Let's look at what's in here. Ooh, look at this, you guys. Oh my goodness, I've never received anything like this. Wow, look at this. It's like a tulle tassel. I love this. Look how beautiful this is. It's a tulle tassel, you guys. So pretty. Oh my goodness. I love this, Janae. Thank you. And then we got a heart rosette, and look at that stitching. Ooh, you are good at that stitching. Look at that. Love this. Love it. Thank you, girl. Let's see what else is in here. I am so excited. I just want to tear this open. Like she says it, Hulk smash. Let's Hulk smash this. I love when she says that. And then she sent a little strawberry. This is my first strawberry. I think it is. Yup. It is my first strawberry. And I have yet to make one of these. I love these. Okay, let's see. Oh no, she did not. She sent a flower. Thank you. I'm still doing Valentine, so I'm having a Valentine swap with somebody, and it's going to be a late one because that's how we do it. Always late. Okay, here. Well, that's how I do it. So another one, I love her rosettes. She put some tulle in here, and I love the colors that she used. And then another little strawberry, so cute. Oh, I love how she filled this up, and it's just like nothing but like little rosettes and flowers. Another rosette. I love that. I'm definitely using that. Oh, look at this conversation heart with the dangle, has an arrow, and her hearts. I love her hearts. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I love how she used this trim. I need to get some more of this pom-pom trim, and I can only find it at Joann's. So thank you so much. Love that. And then we got another strawberry, which I absolutely love. And oh my goodness, love this. Is this Michael's, or did you make this? Because I love this one. The one I found for Michael's is a little different, but I love this one. These were too neat. I love that Michael's came out with those. So that is it, you guys. I dug into all of that. And then she has this sequence in there, which is absolutely beautiful. Into this. Oh my goodness. I can't wait. I'm looking, but I'm going to dig everything out so we could look at this. Oh my goodness. Girl, I appreciate this so much. You have no idea. Made my freaking day and week when you told me you were sending me something. I was like, I get Valentine's mail. Thank you. Thank you so much. Look at this. I love her little charms. She finds the most cutest charms. I love her charms. And then she did the back topper with the same die cut. And these are, oh, I love this, girl. I need to make one of these. Definitely need to make one of these. Okay, so yeah, I'm making one of these in my next swap. So she sent a puffy flat bow and also a heart. Oh my god, I love this. I need this die. This is too cute. Look at that. It's a charm die shaker, and look at her, what she has in her shaker. A little tiny bow. Oh my god, I love this. Love this. Thanks, girl. And I love how she put it in this little tiny pocket. Love this pocket. Look how cute that is, you guys. Super cute. Oh my goodness. I love this, Janae. Thank you. Okay, next is these. Oh my goodness. Who sent me this? Crystal sent me one of these in our group. I was in a group swap with her. And I used like 2 already, but I love this one. I just want to say, yeah, I love this conversation bag, heart bag. I love it. And then she sent some sequins in a bottle. Love this. Look at that, you guys. So pretty. I'm always afraid to mix in red with the pastels and the pinks, but I need to do it. I love how she did this. Love it. There's even a pom-pom in there. There's a few pom-poms. Love that. And then she sent a puffy heart, a red one. I only have pink. And then she sent this right here, a little tag, which is so cute. Does it pull out? No, it doesn't pull out, but it's super cute, which I will be using soon. Another puffy heart for Michael's, and I think this one's, Hobby Lobby, and I believe this one's also from Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that, but 2 more. Love these, girl. Thank you so much. Love them. I love this bag too. This bag is super cute. I will be using that very soon. I'm so excited. My next swap is super exciting. And then this right here. I love her little bag and I love how she used this yarn. This yarn is amazing. It looks old school. I love it. It reminds me of grade school when I was in grade school. And then, oh goodness, I think these are treats, you guys. Hey girl, happy V-Day. Yes, these are treats. I can't wait to dig into this. Thank you so much. So that is it, you guys. I hope you guys love this happy mail that Janae sent me. So pretty. I want to make it pretty here. So yeah, I love everything she sent. Amazing. This tassel is just amazing. I never got one of those before and definitely will be using it. And look how pretty that looks. Oh my goodness, I love it. Both ladies will be listed below. Thank you so much, Janae. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart, girl. Heartsies. And I will talk to you soon. And you guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Hugs and kisses. Bye.